In this video, I'm going to show you how to get stronger in Viking Rise game. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different ways how to do this. So the first way is focus on upgrading and upgrade buildings and research. So focus on upgrading your Chief's Hall. It unlocks new features and gives a big power boost. So to do that, click onto it, click on upgrade, and it's going to show you your current level and your next level and what it's going to take to get there. So for me to go from level 4 to level 5, it's going to give me more might, basically getting me stronger. So I need to go ahead and get 27,000 food and 27 wood, and also I need level 4 walls and level 4 infirmary. So we basically need to upgrade our buildings, and they like the barracks, academy and training grounds. In the academy, research both military troop attack defense capacity. So if we go ahead and click on the academy research, we want to go ahead and start unlocking all this stuff here, and this is going to increase your power. We can go to basic military, and yeah, inside of basic military we can go ahead and increase. So yeah, we can research this stuff, and it's going to show you what you need to increase your attacks. This is going to make you more powerful or get stronger inside. So just keep grinding out all of these, and basically you want to keep your building queue and research queue running at all times if possible. All right, the next way is to train and upgrade troops. So train your troops with your barracks here. So you've got your pikeman barracks, we've got archer barracks and infantry barracks. So you want to go ahead and click on research, and we want to go ahead and train more troops. And then it's going to show you what you need to train more. So I've only got enough for about 27. So I'm going to go ahead and click on train. And while we're there, we want to go ahead and click on the upgrade button. So it's going to, so once you increase your level, it's going to increase your might, which is power. Next thing is focus on our hero. So if we click on the heroes tab, click on the hero, then click on the details. We want to go ahead and level up your heroes. Now this can be through battles, quests and monster huts. We can upgrade their skills and talents. So we can click on their talents tab. We can upgrade their talents by increasing here. So I need don't have enough talent points for this, but we can have a look at their skills. We can upgrade their skills here. So if I want to go ahead and upgrade the Axe of Fracture, click on upgrade and then tap to fill all. Not enough skills or experience or shards, so you need shards. Also, we can change the lineup too. So depending on your lineup is going to increase your power as well. So yeah, you can have a look at all the different type of lineups you can have for your hero. And now talking about hero, if we go ahead and summon more, this is going to increase your power as well. So to get more heroes, basically what we need to do is click onto it, click details, click on recruit, and then we need Seagull shards for this one. So chance to obtain performing a summon at the Hall of Valor. So if we click go, we can go ahead and click on hero summon depending how many shards. We can skip animation, so I don't have enough here. So we need at least one soul stone for this, but you do get 3 soul stones every half a day basically. And also build a strong economy. So continue to gather food, wood, stone, and gold. These resources fuel your growth. So upgrade resource buildings and storage to support higher productions. Use speed ups and boost during double reward or resource events. Always keep your workers busy. So idle workers slow your overall progress. Now another thing what we could do is join an active tribe. So you need to be Chief Hall level 5 for this, and we need to build a military base, a tribe hall. So yeah, join a strong tribe early. Tribe techs and help bonuses make a huge difference. Participate in tribe wars, rallies and events to earn rewards and grow faster. And stay active in the tribe communication. Teamwork brings in better rewards.